Welcome back to our maths class, children. Let's move into the continuation of the chapter Mensuration. Question number 11. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle and a regular hexagon? This is the question. Okay, so here the total length of the string is given. Totally the string is 30 centimeter long. Okay, now square we know, first subdivision is square. So square we know there are 4 sides. Yes, so in that 4 sides, the string 30 centimeter long string, using that string they are forming a square. Okay, now we have to find the length of each side. Okay, the string used to for one side, for each side we have to find. Okay, so we have to find the length of each side. Clear? So how can we find? Let us look into the solution. So length of the string, total length, it is 30 centimeter, and number of equal sides, number of sides in a square is equal to 4. Okay, now we have to find the length of each side. So how can we find? We have to divide. Okay, so 30 divided by 4. Okay, when you divide, okay, so 4 into 7 times we can take, it is 28. Yes, so the remainder will be, this becomes 2 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. Okay, now we have 2 is not divisible in 4 tables, so we have to place a decimal point and we have to add a 0. Okay, now 4 5s are, we have 20. So the remainder is 0. Okay, so we have 7.5 centimeter. Clear? Now next one. Same way, next figure is given as equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means how many sides? 3 sides. Okay, so we have to find the length of each side. So we have to divide 30 by 3. Okay, because the total length of the string is 30. Okay, and we have to find how much length of the string is used for one side. Okay, so length of each side we have to find. So 30 divided by 3. Okay, so look into the solution. So number of equal sides in equilateral triangle is equal to 3. So we have to find the length of each side. Okay, so 30 divided by 3. So 30 divided by 3 is nothing but 10 times 30. So we have 10. Okay, so 3 tens are is 30. Okay, so we have 10 here. 10 centimeter. Clear? C subdivision, regular hexagon. Okay, so I told you hexagon means it has 6 sides. Okay, now the total length of the string is 30 centimeter. Okay, using that 30 centimeter string, okay, we have 6 sides. We have to find the length of each side. Okay, the total length only, it is 30. We have to find the each side, the length we have to find. Okay, so totally there are 6 sides in a hexagon. Okay, so 30 divided by 6 if we do, we will get the length of each side. Okay, now 30 divided by 6. So 30 and 6, when you divide, 6 5s are, you get 30. Okay, so we have 5 centimeter, which is the length of each side of regular hexagon given. Clear, children? Question number 12. Two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is 36 centimeter. What is its third side? Okay, so here it is triangle. So we know a triangle has 3 sides. Okay, here 2 sides are given and we have to find the third side. And perimeter is also given. Okay, so perimeter is equal to length of first side plus length of second side plus third side we have to find. Okay, third side we don't know. Okay, so plus third side. Okay, we will substitute the value of the 2 sides and we will substitute the value of perimeter. Okay, from that we will find the length of the third side. Okay, let's move into the solution. So solution, it is perimeter is given and length of 2 sides are given. Okay, so we will see how to find the length of the third side. Okay, now perimeter is equal to, how can we find the perimeter? Perimeter will be equal to 2 sides are given, so 12 plus 14. Okay, so plus third side. Okay, so third side, you can write it as third side here. Okay, from this perimeter is given as 36. So 36 is equal to 12 plus 14 plus again third side. Okay, now 12 plus 14, when you add 12 and 14 you get 26. Yes, so 36, we have to find this third side. So can I take this 26 to the other side of the equation? Yes, when I take plus 26 here, 12 plus 4 is 14 is 26. Okay, so when you take to the other side, it becomes minus 26. Okay, so 36 minus 26 is equal to the third side. Okay, now when you subtract 36 and 26, you get 10 centimeter, which is the length of the third side. Okay, now you can verify your answer. Now three sides, third side also we have found out. Yes or no? Now if you add all the three sides, third side you got it as 10. Okay, and the two sides given are 12 and 14. So when you add 12, 14 and 10, what do you get? Are you getting 36? Yes. So perimeter of the triangle is 36 is given in the question. So after finding your third side, you can check your answer like this. Okay, so perimeter will be equal to, you have to add all the sides, no? 3 into A. That is the perimeter. Okay, so third side also we have found out, when you add all the 3, if you are getting 36 centimeter, then your answer is correct. Okay, so here the length of the third side is 10 centimeter. Clear? Question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at a rate of rupees 20 per meter. Okay, whenever you see the word fencing, okay, fencing means it is the boundary only. Okay, we have to find the perimeter only. Okay, so find the cost of fencing a square park. Okay, we have to find the cost here. Okay, so it is given the park is in the shape of a square. Okay, and the side is also given. So how can we find perimeter of a square? Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Yes or no? 4 into A. Okay, so side is given as 250. So 4 into 250. Okay, so 4 into 250 will be equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 250 and 4, when you multiply, you get 1000. Okay, now rate of fencing is given. Okay, so per meter, what is that per meter? For per meter, the cost of fencing is 20 rupees. Okay, so per cost of fencing or rate of fencing is equal to rupees 20 per meter. For 1 meter, it is rupees 20. Now, what is the total boundary? What is the total perimeter we got? We got 1000. Okay, so for 1 meter, it is 20 rupees. So we have to find for 1000 meter. 1000 meter is the total perimeter. Okay, so for that 1000 meter, we have to find the cost of fencing. Okay, so 20 and 1000 we have to multiply. Okay, so when you multiply 20 and 1000, okay, so 2 into 1, 1000 there is 1, no? So 2 into 1 is 2. And how many zeros are there? 1, count the number of zeros. In 20 you have 1 0. In 1000 you have 3 zeros. Okay, so you have to put 4 zeros altogether. Okay, 20 you are having 1 0, and in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So totally there are 4 zeros. Okay, so 2 into 1 you will put 2 and you will add 4 zeros. Okay, so rupees 20,000. So what is the cost of fencing 1000 meter? It is rupees 20,000. Okay, clear children?